How to dispute or charge on your Costco Citi Visa card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can dispute or charge on your Costco Anywhere Visa card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to sign in into Citi.com or your Citi mobile application. Once you're signed in, select your Costco Anywhere Visa card from your dashboard. Then head over to your transaction history to find the charge that you want to dispute. Select your charge, then tap on it. Under that, you have to tap on dispute charge or report a problem. Then follow the steps to describe what actually happened, whether it was unauthorized, wrong amount, or an item that never delivered. You also may be asked to upload a receipt, cancellation confirmation, or other proof. Just drag and drop, which is simple. Now once you submit the dispute, Citi will usually provide a temporary credit while investigate. Then you can track the status inside the application under your disputes or messages. So that's it. That's how you can dispute a charge on your Costco Visa card, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.